It's important to remember, and I think that that of course receiving cancer-directed therapy of any kind is going to come with a time commitment. That's whether standard of care, whether it's a clinical trial, regardless, there's going to be a time commitment, and not all of that is toxic time. Patients, there are many patients who value that time that they're spending, getting treatment for their disease. And so I think it's really important for us to remember that, and to remember that there are elements of clinical trials that rise above the requirements of standard of care, and that's necessary. We need that information as clinicians, as investigators, in order to understand how new drugs work. We're going to need to do additional things. However, I think as we have moved into this era of targeted and precision therapies, there's been a strong push for earlier endpoints, for earlier response signals, and it's something we just have to be cognizant of when we're thinking about biomarker testing, how frequently we're doing that, how often we're asking our patients to get scans, how often we're asking our patients for blood draws. And it's not necessarily that we aim to remove all of that or to align it exactly with standard of care, but more to just to remember those things, remember the patient element and the patient perspective as we are designing the trials.